Assalamu alaikum. Today we're going to talk about OOP, which stands for Object-Oriented Programming. So before we start, please don't forget to subscribe, give a like, and share this video. So the OOP includes inheritance, abstraction, polymorphism, encapsulation. And in this video I'm going to talk about inheritance. So what is inheritance in programming? It is pretty much like inheritance in living organisms. For instance, a human being has common traits as follows. Human can talk, walk, and sleep. So in programming, a human being is considered as a superclass, and every person can inherit these methods. That means we don't need to rewrite those methods from scratch. We can inherit them from the superclass. So let's look at this example. We have this class named Abdulaziz, and Abdulaziz inherits the human being class, the superclass, and he already got these methods, the walk, talk, and sleep. Also in programming, Abdulaziz is considered as a son class that inherits from the superclass. And let's suppose that Abdulaziz has a gift and he can draw. So in this case, we cannot inherit a method that is not already there in the superclass. So we have to write this method inside the Abdulaziz class. So that's all what we need to know in this video. See you in the next one. Bye.